channel, Claudie Cooks. Today I will be cooking for you saltfish fritters. Let's jump right into it. For this recipe, you will need saltfish that I have soaked for an hour to reduce the saltiness. You will need onion, garlic, ginger, an egg, bell peppers, scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, parsley, spring onions, as well as the other ingredients shown on the screen. Add the oil to a preheated pan and saute the onions for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the ginger, garlic and bell peppers to the pan and saute for a further 2 minutes on medium to low heat to release all the lovely flavors. Then remove from the heat and set aside to cool. Sift the flour and baking powder in a large bowl. Now add the spices and mix to combine. Now add the spring onions and sauteed vegetables to the mixing bowl. Now add the thyme and parsley to the bowl. Break the egg and whisk it and add it to the mixture. Now add mustard, salt and black pepper for taste. Now add the water and milk mixture to the bowl bit at a time. If the mixture is too thick, add some more water to loosen it a bit. Now you've reached the right consistency, set aside to rest. Now break the fish into bite-sized pieces and check for bone and disregard any stray ones. Now add the fish to the batter mix and fold it in gently. Now add the oil to a preheated pan to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. As a disclaimer, I ought to mention that I started off at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. But they were a bit too brown for my liking and I reduced it to 200 degrees and they came out perfectly, as you will see in the pictures. And here you have it, guys, the finished dish, saltfish fritters, and I'm serving mine with mango, pineapple and chili sauce. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for watching, guys. Guys, don't they look delicious to you? Tasted awesome too. Give it a try and enjoy.